an entry in the euro yen. And also I want to see the relationship between the euro and the pound. We have seen that the pound is strong, yet it's not as strong as the euro. So in this case I can find a trade. I can buy the euro and short the pound. So I can take the euro pound just by looking at this close here. Just by taking this, just by looking at this close over here compared to the close of the euro USD, see how strong this compared to the pound. So if that's the case, I can buy the euro and see if the euro pound is a trade. Look at this. So now I do have a bona fide trade with a low risk, because both of them are strong, but I have identified one which is extremely much more stronger than the other. So it is a safe bet to be long the euro pound. And you can see the structure point is the 84. As soon as we got above the 84 a couple of weeks ago, boom, it took us 300 pips. This is brilliant. So right now, looking at this, this is my other structure point, which is the 86.61. We have closed the week at 87.15. So my short will be the 86.61. And that's the beauty, guys, of, again, the price behavior trading, is that once you identify a price points and significant points, your trade plan falls in place immediately. You don't need to reinvent the wheel or revamp it. So once you do the homework once and identify it, then, and as you see, this was our structure point over here on the long side. Now it is going to become the structural short, and you don't really forget them. And the next structure point to the upside is the 88.33. all right, and let's see our long point now. I'm going to identify an entry. I'm going to come up and wrap it up in a second to show you I mean the euro pound. I'm going to wrap the euro pound. This is way too strong. In any case, this is very nice because the market side is also above at the momentum high. So 86, 84, 86, 87. That is brilliant. It is also the market side and it is the momentum high. So if I go long anywhere, my stop has to be below the 87, the 86, 87. So my stop on the long stop $87. The question is, where will I buy this baby? We will only buy it above 87, which above the high, which is 87.25. It has to go above 87.25. In this case, keep in mind that the euro pound is a heavy pair. It is twice the normal size of any pair, so you have to be careful. Your pip value is $16, not $10. So in this case, your stop is also quite big. You're looking at a stop of about 50, which means it's about 75 or 80 pips on the regular position. So you take a smaller size, and probably you're going to get a little bit of a pullback. Why? Because both of them are strong, so you're probably going to get a little bit of a pullback. But you want to take it, and if it goes to the 88.30, you have at least 120 pips to the upside, which is again translates in 200 pips on a regular position. So we're going to look at our entries. So the euro pound, we're going to go long above 87.25, and if we do, we're going to place our stop below 86.87, so it's about 50 pips away. We're going to go short the euro pound below 86.61. Our structural short is 86.61, and if we do that, I have to change the stop on the, this is going to be the same, it's a structural point, so they all be the same. Okay, and my structure long is the 88.33. So what I have done, guys, just to make it a little bit on the clear, so I hope I didn't confuse anybody. This is a very powerful, the euro is very strong, the pound is also strong, but is not as strong as the euro, and so that it is a good combination to buy the strongest of the strong and sell the second weakest. In this case, this move has been quite explosive. It took us from 84 all the way 300. Look at this, from 84 all the way up till here. It didn't even look back. So I need to be careful over here if I'm going to buy it above the high. The only place I can technically place the stop, we do not put money stops, because money stops are not the correct way to trade, at least in our philosophy, if you will. We need to put our stops below technical places. So in this case, I have the market side, which is the core of the market value. This is not a moving average, this is the core of the market, is 86.87, and it also matches a momentum high, which is 86.84. So if I'm going to go long anywhere over here, that's the only logical place I can place my stop technically. So the only place I can buy is when it breaks above the high, and of course if I'm going to go short, I'm taking it short below the 86.64, and this would be my price point to go short. Okay.